Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect in Instagram. So you are just going to select this text button thing, and you can change the color to your liking. I'm just going to select the pink one because it's my favorite color. I'm just going to add in the text here. You can type in anything using any of these fonts. I'm just going to use this one, and I'm just going to type in pink a few times. I'm just going to select all, and I'm just going to copy, return twice on your keyboard, select this, and then press paste. Then return, and then press paste as much as you can. Just going to copy it and paste it because I don't. Oops. Let me just press done here. And paste like that. You can also change the color of this font, and I'm just going to make it super big like this. If you want to, you can change the font. I'm just going to use this yellow one. I know it's a different color, but you're just going to save that first. You're going to then close this, and you're going to select Reels, and you're going to open that image. Select next. Select next again. Select these stars here for effects, and you're going to type in warp speed. Select it and apply it to your video, and it's going to turn out like this. And you can save it and post it. I'm just going to save it first if you just want to post it on your Instagram stories and not your reels. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.